Hello, my name is Typhoon, and in this lecture of our auxiliary course, we will use more examples with ls commands. So, unlike every other Linux command, ls is aware of whether stdout is a screen or whether it's being redirected to a pipe or otherwise. So the reason is friendliness. So when stdout is a screen, ls arranged its output in multiple columns for convenient reading. For example, ls bin here. Oops, here, look, not like this. Yeah, ls bin here. So home and Kali and ls here. So here, and make it clear and ls bin. Yeah, that's enough files here like for us. So this ls bin, so when std is redirected, however, ls produce a single column. So I will demonstrate this by piping the output of the ls to a command that simply reproduces its input, so such as cat. So for example, bin and cat. And as you can see here, we are seeing this just a one line in each here. So oops, we opened so much files right now by just clicking and like this, so we are not using it again. Unfortunately, we did it here. Oops, yeah, whatever. So now the behavior can lead to a strangely looking results like this. So let's actually create ls here. Oops, ls. Oops, ls here. And here, let's make it ls wc l here. And as you can see here, we have 10 lines, but as you can see here in the output, we have just one line. So the first ls command prints all file names in one line. So, but the second command reports the ls produced 4 lines. So if you aren't aware of the, no, actually it's 10 lines. So if you aren't aware of the quirky behavior of ls, you might find this dispensary confusing. So ls has options to override its default behavior. So force ls to print a single column with a here -1 option. So we are seeing this now. We can also use force to multiple columns with the C option, so lsc, and as you can see, we use the multiple commands. So if you write, as you can see with this, we've got the ls with wcl, we got 10 as a result because we have 10 lines. And if we do it like that, for example, let's actually write it like that, C and wcl. And as you can see here, we got only 2 lines here. So ls is actually pretty strange if you wanted to understand it deeply here.